Hello guys, welcome back to Kerbal Space Program. Today, I'm going to be going over winglets, decouplers, and struts. And you may notice that I turned off the music because last time it was really loud. So, I don't think you're supposed to have it on anyways, so yeah, let's build a rocket. So, let's get our command module, command pod. And this time we're going to be using this type of fuel. So, we'll grab that. And then, this is a decoupler. What a decoupler does is, say we put it like that. When we activate it in our staging, this is the icon, it will make this fall off. It'll just like float off. And whatever we connect to it. So let's build a little simple rocket. I'll demonstrate it. Let's put a parachute on top. And there we go. Clear the launch pad. Alright. Let's wait for it. Alright. Throttle all the way up. And these fuel tanks are quite a bit bigger. Like, they're like half bigger or something, I don't know, than the ones we were using last episode. So, yeah. Add this right there. So, this rocket is really stable. So, just speed up time until it runs out of fuel. Or, if there's like a emergency, press X, and we can decouple. That's what a decoupler does. You may have seen videos of stuff like that in real life. I think it's pretty cool. Do that. And yeah. Those are what decouplers do. Let's watch it explode. Wait for it. Epic. Alright. So let's revert flight to the vehicle assembly. So that's basically, yeah, what the decouplers do. Now, there are more decouplers. There's different types. And they are right here. I love these ones, because, yeah, let's grab these. Now these decouplers, they go on the side. So we can just do that, and like do that. And they don't have to be lower like that. You just grab the decoupler, and like put it high up, but I'm going to put it low. So, yeah. Don't forget to change it in the staging. Now, we're still in structural. We're going to go over to strut connectors. These are what connect stuff so they don't like fall apart and like wobble around. So it's pretty basic. And then there's one more thing. Actually, yeah. These babies. These, I like to use these ones. They're called winglets. They'll move around by using WASD and Q and E. And you can like steer your ship really easily. So let's move that right here. Add this. So we'll do that. And then one last thing for this rocket is, where are they? These are, what are they called? Launch stability enhancers. And what they do is they'll hold your rocket in midair. So like when you go to launch, your rocket won't be on the ground. It'll be sustained in the air. So let's do, and then launch. So see, we can really easily move around this rocket. So let's just keep going up. Speed up time. Now I'm gonna do this early. So no. Just keep speeding up time. So now they ran out of fuel. So just press space. Oops. There we go. Yep. Now let's go over to, let's go over here. Let's land over here. Let's try to land over here anyways. So let's go to map. Yeah, that's pretty good. Press X, press space, and then you can press space again. Just the parachutes won't come out yet. The parachute won't come out yet, and that's okay. I don't know if I said that in my other video. So just speed up time. Here. Like a lot. Oh, I think we're gonna overshoot them. Nope. Hopefully that will actually. I don't know if we'll land on the mountains, but that'd be pretty cool. No, we're not. So once we get like in the atmosphere, our parachute will deploy. Speed up time some more. So.
Mama, do you see a purse?
Alright, so we're gonna land soon. Just ignore that. It's my friend. That's actually Lawless Pyro. Being a troll. So, and we'll catch it on fire. Can we see the explosion? Alright, well, let's be up time. Dang, that thing's flying slow. Alright, so we're landing. And oh no! What the? I just broke physics. What the heck just happened? Well, this is very awkward. Because that shouldn't be possible. I should have just died. Yeah, this is EVA mode. I don't know if I showed it last time. But yeah, you can walk around as your Kerbal. Jump and stuff. And when you're in space, you press R, and you have a jetpack. And you use shift to go up, and then control to go down. I'll demonstrate that in a bit. There's my rocket. That was really weird. Let's just go back on. Alright, let's go back to the assembly. Alright, there's one more thing I want to show you guys. They're called solid fuel boosters. So, you just put them on like this. They will not take these things, the fuel tanks, because they have liquid fuel in them, and these things have solid fuel, so they won't take this fuel. They don't. There's no fuel tanks for them. But let's raise this up, and we'll make a new stage for this one, this part, and here. I'll take these off. Put wings on here. And yeah, you can put struts on these. They're not like engines. You can actually put struts on them. So let's connect them, and let's fly this thing. Let's see if I can get. Let's see how far I can get in space. Throttle up. You don't need to throttle up for the boosters. Actually, I'm gonna throttle. Oops. Throttle all the way down. Just press space. Yeah, I'm gonna throttle up because when I do my next stage. Oh, poop. I just realized something. Poop. I forgot one major thing. We need these things, decouplers, because then they'll actually come off when they're done. So let's do this. Alright, so I think we're ready this time. Actually, I like to put the decouple stage with the next rocket stage. So, and I highly recommend putting these winglets on the boosters because you can't steer when there's boosters unless you have other stuff. So, yeah, you don't really want to speed up time with these things because that kind of stuff happens. Just space. Yeah, I'm kind of being wobbly right now, so I'm not gonna speed. Actually, that looks fine. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, see what time warp does? Ugh. Alright. Yeah, we should be fine. Oh, poop. Forgot about that. Yeah, we're in space. Hooray. So, now it doesn't really matter. Oh, yeah. When you're in space, it doesn't let you throttle up. I mean, not throttle. It doesn't let you speed up time, so yeah. We're just gonna have to wait it out. But, so when you're in space, it doesn't matter how fast your ship is going when you get your guy out. Because you just let go, and you press R, walk around. Not walk around. I'm gonna walk in space, but see, this spacecraft is going pretty fast. But I'm on the same speed as it, so it doesn't really matter. We're really far away from it. Alright. And be careful. If you press up here, it'll show you like... It'll show, how much fuel you have left in your jetpack for doing this. But, yeah, I don't want to go too far away from this thing. So, I'm going really fast. I better slow down. Because you gotta remember when you're doing this, you go really fast after you go. If you do this too much, you go really fast. Oh no, oh no. Oh! That could have hurt. Now, I'm not sure if you can actually die from hitting your spaceship too hard, but dang, that was a hard hit. There we go. Just press like Q and E if you're spinning like that. Alright, so try to go slower. Alright, so yeah, I'm 150 meters away from it. Oh crap, going in hot again. Oops. Whoa, careful, careful! Alright, so let's go back in it. You just press F to grab it, and F to board. So I'm gonna throttle up, see if we can get out of the Kerbals, that's the planet name. Kerbals pull of gravity. Yeah, we can steer from here. So, how much fuel do we have? About half a tank. You can see how much exactly you have by just right clicking on these. And these tanks, not tanks, ooh, yeah, we're out of the pull of gravity. Well, these engines, they require liquid fuel and oxidizer, so, yeah, that's what that is. Now, since we're throttled down, we can time warp really fast. There's one moon, there's the other moon. That's Minmus. It's really hard to see. And that's the mud. Let's keep going. It's so tiny. See how long we see it. I see it. I can kind of see it. Just a little twinkle. It's gone. I can't see it anymore. Alright. So, let's see how far we really are from it. Now we're in orbit around the sun. And don't worry, your guy won't run out of oxygen or food or anything. So, yeah. There's Kerbin for some asteroids. There's a bunch of other planets that we can travel to. So, if we speed up time, let's see if we can. I doubt we'll ever get back. We have to rescue him in the future. Yeah. Alright. Well, that's gonna wrap up this episode of Kerbal Space Program. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Let's try to speed up time. God dang it. Alright. See you guys next time. Bye bye.